Hey y'all, this is Kim with Creative Escapades. If this is your first time here, welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. I'm so excited that you joined me today, and I'm excited to show you what I'm going to be making. So sit back, relax, and I hope you enjoy the video. So in this project, I'm going to show you how I am going to make 3 tiered cupcake stand or Petit Four stand, and I have the 3 different size molds there, and the colors that I'm using for the top, the brown one is going to be Golden Autumn from Resin Art. It's a luster pigment with the Recollections brown holographic glitter. And for the second one, I'm using the Tiger's Eye Resin Art Luster Pigment with Orange Recollections Holographic Glitter. And for the bottom one, I'm using Gold Dust, and that's from StoneCoat Countertop. And then the gold glitter that I'm using is also Recollections Holographic Glitter, and all those are from the glitters are from Michael's. So I've had my resin pre-mixed, and I put a little bit of resin down in the bottom of each mold just to kind of break the tension, and also to help my other colors to move a little bit when I heat them up. And I didn't mix up enough glitter, so I'm going to have to mix some more resin and make some more of the glitter resin for each color. But I'm just putting it around the center where the post is and all around the edges of the molds. And then I'm coming back in with that luster pigments and the gold dust mixed with the resin. And once I get all that done, I also decided to add a little bit of the diamond dust pigment or mica powders, which is that right there, and it is so pretty. And then I'm going to heat these up and blow the colors over each other just to kind of get them to intermingle with each other. And then I'm going to take my stir stick and I'm going to gently just kind of draw the colors into each other just to help the design and get some of that mixed look. And then I'm going to let these set overnight. I actually let them set for a couple of days, but just let them cure. And once they're cured, we're ready to demold them. These are so pretty. The tops of them turned out gorgeous. I don't know what the bottoms are going to look like yet, and I'm very carefully going around the edge. I want to be very careful when I go to pull the mold away from the resin, because the that center piece, I don't want to damage it. And just carefully making sure that it's loose in the center. And there it is. It's off. The bottom of this is gorgeous too. I almost want to use the bottom of it for the top of the tray. But I do like the glitter and that holographic look to each one of those colors. I think they complement each other well. So again, we're just carefully removing the mold away from the little tray. We'll get the gold one out, and then I have the hardware to put this together to make a stand. And again, it can be used to serve cupcakes or Petit Fours, or just to set on your table, or whatever you want to use it for. And it just has a little screw at the bottom, and you use those little washers in between, and then you screw it on. And I'm going to use a screwdriver to tighten the bottom screw so that when I put these other pieces on, the other hardware, that it will all be nice and sturdy and tight. And there, now let me show you what it looks like. It is so pretty and sparkly. Here it is. I think it turned out great. Got the little hook handle on the top. Sorry that there's a reflection of my lighting there, but I want to get closer in so that you can see how that holographic glitter on each one of these colors, it just sparkles, and then that white diamond dust intermingles with the other luster pigments and right into the glitter. It is so pretty. It just shimmers and sparkles. I absolutely love it. This would make a great gift for any occasion, or if you just want to pamper yourself. So this is in my Etsy shop, and you can check that out. The link to that is below in the description box, along with a link to all my other media things that you can check out. Look how graceful that is. It's just so pretty. Absolutely love it. And those colors complement each other. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, please click that like and share button. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you can do that now. And if you ring the bell, you'll get notified when I upload my future videos. And I want to thank you for joining me. You cannot know how much I appreciate it. You're helping my channel grow by leaps and bounds, and it is so appreciated. And I hope to see you in my next creative escapade. Bye bye for now.